ತಿರುಮಲ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಗುರುಕುಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ಗುರುಕುಲಂ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಇಎಸ್ಐಸಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಕಾಲೋನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ತಿರುಮಲ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಗುರುಕುಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಕುಲಂ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಂಡರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ನರ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಶನಿವಾರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 26 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2022 ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2 ಗಂಟೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಮಾಜಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಸಿಎನ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Science experiments doing is very difficult. I think some of you have participated, you know what is the difficulty. Preaching is easier. ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸುಲಭ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನಾಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿಯರ್. ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೆಲಸ ಈಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಗ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. But if you develop skill, it will be easier. If you do it again and again, maybe 3-4 times, then earlier, if an experiment took half an hour to do, then later on you can do that within a minute. That's why the skill development is very much important in India. The national wide the skill development program is also going on, and in the school activity-oriented learning is there in your syllabus. So many activities they have given in every chapter. That means you have to do and learn. That is more important. So just by teaching it is not possible to learn the basic skill or science and technology. If you are doing by yourself, you will understand it better. So when we born, maybe in 1962 or maybe later stage, maybe within 1950 or even 1917 also, every house did not have any technological equipments. So now after 1980s, lot of things have come to the home. Earlier, seeing a radio was difficult in a home. Cycle also, people used to think it is luxury. Now, having any kind of car is not luxury. At that level, we are living. This is because of the development in the field of science and technology and application of the science and technology for the betterment of mankind, and adding engineering aspect and various other technology which has been developed over the years. That's why we are living in very pleasant scenario with very lot of gadgets in our home. So when we were going to the school, we were not in a position to imagine whether it is possible to see a person's face in any kind of device, because that time the situation was like that. Now sitting in India, in this location, you can see any person anywhere in the world through that you have experienced. WhatsApp call if you are making, or internet call if you are making, it is very easy. Similarly, in the education also, if you are using the internet connection or smartphone is there, any thought, if you want to have extra knowledge, it is possible with the mobile. You need not go to the computer itself, or you need not go to the internet cafe. From your home, it is possible to understand many kinds of things. So even for doing experimentation also, there will be lot of videos and also animations, and if you can't understand any subject, it is possible to see. Not only science, other field also. If you want to know any maybe poem in Kannada, that is available. Adu Kuvenpudirli, bere yadu Bendridirli, anything, it is available in the net. Similarly, anything in the English or maybe social science, maybe during the period of Emperor Ashoka, what was the map of his domain. So that also you can see. Like that, over the period, how it has changed. The India's map has changed. All those things you are going to get. So that's why it is a boon. Mobile is a boon. That's why maybe in advertisement they are telling Dunya Mutti Mein. Isn't it? So if you use that properly, it is possible to have everything. but you have to acquire more and more knowledge. But you should not use any of the equipment for bad things. Like we should not use the knife for bad things, no. So like that, we should not use any of the device invented by the science and technology for bad purposes. So even the weapons, maybe whether it is missile or bomb, anything what which is developed, it is only why it is developed to show we are the powerful. If somebody does something, then we are ready to do that. Okay, but all this maybe in 1903, what was developed? Aeroplane. They invented. Who invented? Wright brothers. Okay, they invented it. What were they doing earlier? They were running a cycle shop, but they had an ambition, we have to do something. So that's why they thought maybe we will put some clothes and we will try to go up, but it was not possible. Then they thought maybe we have to put some engine. They tried and failed. Then again and again they did that. And from maybe about 10 meter height, they fell down once again. So nothing happened. Again and again they tried, and finally they invented the aeroplane. Similarly, whether it is radio or TV or any gadget which you are seeing now, it is the hard work of many technologies, even maybe sometimes IT holders, or without having any degree, many scientists, they have done many things. Thomas Alva Edison, great scientist of the world, you know how much effort he has put in order to develop many skills or many patents. More than 2,000 patents he has made in his lifetime. It is not possible to imagine to us. One patent is a tough job, but during that time, even having a paper for writing something, it was very difficult. Now, everything is available, every kind of device is available. If you have any knowledge, then you can upgrade also with the help of the maybe internet, and you have libraries, and you have maybe advisors, maybe supervisors or guides. But for him, who was there? Only his mother. So isn't it that you have studied maybe in one or the other class, the story of Thomas Alva Edison will be there. So with his effort, he has made a workshop. So that's why the people used to call him as the wizard of Menlo Park. Hucha antidru. ಯಾಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಶೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿರ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, he has invented one after the other, and what he has made earlier, he has modified and made something new. So the starting one was what? What is the first invention made by him? Bulb. Okay, that is enough. Okay, but bulb you remember. That is one of the greatest invention, because the night time also it is possible to see the day effect, isn't it? But before that, what was the more important thing? Electricity. Invention of electricity by Michael Faraday. These two were the greatest things. So electricity and bulb. Because of that, any of the industries, day and night in different shift, they can work. And we can also, if you want, we can study in the night also. So like that is possible. So all these basic invention in science, ಮೂಲಭೂತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ವಯಿಕ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈವನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್, they will make some engineering changes or engineering aspect will be involved in that. So these three things will make different gadgets that will change our lifestyle, so that we are saving. Alva? So what we have seen, we did not have cycle, and for me also maybe I consider, or maybe your management president also. So we have later on we purchased cycle, we purchased two-wheeler, we purchased radio, we purchased the first kind of mobile. Then we have changed it to different mobile, now smartphone, car. So this age, that is who born between So 1960 to 1980, they have seen different change and they have used those devices. But now for you, as you born, everything is there in the home. Namak landline call. One incident, how that landline call was introduced here. So Namal India did not have technology. So government of India thought we have to make some change in the field of communication. So Pune CDAC anta one company they started. They have pulled many technology to work in different scientific organization, and they made that organization. They gave a task to them. You have to make the exchange, electronic exchange with low cost, and which should work in the rural places also. Because before that ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಜಪಾನ್, ಜರ್ಮನಿ ಆರ್ US. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಡ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪುಣೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ತರಹ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಲಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, then in 2 or 3 years they have developed the exchange which can work in without the maybe AC. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳು, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ AC ರೂಮ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ AC ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಡ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿತ್ ದೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್, ದೇ required the AC room. ಈಗ AC room ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So like that they have invented it. Then they have installed that in the different locations in India. In Gulbarga also the first installation was done in 1989. Small electronic exchange ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಭಂಡಾರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಸ್ ತರ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದ್ರಾಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರು, ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗದೊಳಗಡೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಅಂತದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೋಹನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್, ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, and when I joined in the science center also landline was there. So like that, maybe if you see in some colony maybe 1 or 2 houses, or when you think about the TV also, maybe in a village maybe 1 or 2 house maybe had that.
Myself Revati R. Chatnadikar, and our school name is Gurukul Vidyaniketan English Medium School. Today we have a good exhibition, or a great exhibition. So this is the first time we have organized from the school. Our children are done very effortless job in this exhibition. I'm very happy for that. And we had an chief guest, that former science center Sri Lakshmi Narayan sir. So he was a great inspiration for us. He has guided the children very children very good, and he has inspired the children to continue this exhibition as from the day by day, in the sense from the step by step classes. So I hope we follow all his whatever the rules and whatever the guidelines he has given for the exhibition, will follow by our children, and we will be helping in the future for the children to make such models again and again. And our exhibition conclusion is, there is no conclusion for the exhibition, so we'll be always doing such experiments in our schools.
Here Suresh Patange from Gurukul Vidyaniketan School. Today we are organized a science exhibition from LKG to 10th standard students, and today's chief guest is Sri N. Lakshmi Narayan Hebbar sir, former science district center. And all the students are did very well and good for the exhibition, and sir has guidance to our children to do the best in exhibition. So I thanks to Sri Lakshmi Narayan Hebbar sir for giving opportunities to our school, and children are made very good models as well as charts. So we are thinking next to do best in future also. Thank you.
My name is Kavita. I am from Gurukul Vidya Niketan School. So we have conducted an exhibition. Actually today it was held for the first standard to till 10th standard. It was very good, and all the models were prepared by the students only. It is a very creativity. We'll come to know what is the talent of the student by conducting this exhibition. So now we can see all the models, they are very good, and that too they are prepared self. From this we can develop among them a creativity among the students, and they'll get a knowledge how the models will work and how to prepare the models. So the main aim to conduct this exhibition to create a knowledge among the student of self-development. This help them to in the further for the studies also. These models also we can use for the teaching aids in the classrooms. We can preserve those models in our school, and coming next exhibitions we can do more and more good in this.